how to tie the Kelvin knot. So grab your tie, put it around your neck with the seam side facing forward and the wide side on the left. Pull your wide end down, form an X through the tie with the wide side of the tie coming underneath. Wrap that around the thin side, bringing that all the way around back to the right side. They're going to cross back over the front with the wide end. I tuck my finger in here to make it easier to grab. As you bring the wide end up the X and through the hole that your finger is resting in, you can pull the wide end down, snug up your knot, and cinch towards your collar. And there's the Kelvin knot. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.